Thank you so much for coming to our video. As it says here, I am from Blockchain Laboratory of Toronto called BLT. Okay, so what is BLT? As the name says here, we're a blockchain learning community in University of Toronto. We meet at least once a week to share what we have learned about blockchain, and our ultimate goal is to refocus the use of blockchain to further adopt its application into various industries in order to restructure the inefficient old system. This sounds boring and long, but essentially what it says here is that we will be exploring the application of blockchain outside of cryptocurrencies to change the world. Now, you may think we're going too big, and this is not realistic at all. But for that, I would say it's not. This is the right moment to start blockchain. Mr. Fukushima, the founder of Layer X in Japan, mentioned in an interview that major internet companies were founded back in the end of 1990s. Now, current major blockchain companies were founded around 2013 to 2015. This is the right moment to start blockchain. So, why did I make this group? Before I answer this question, let me ask you a question. Why are you watching this video or any other videos from our channel? I assume that probably because you're interested in blockchain. Fortunately, we're not the only one who's interested in. A lot of people are interested in blockchain right now. Yet, the opportunity to learn blockchain for beginners are limited. Just like other school subjects, it is not hard to learn the basic concepts individually. But when it gets to advanced level, you might need someone to teach you about it. Furthermore, blockchain is developing very fast. There are lots of news, publishing, videos, and white papers that you might not be able to finish everything alone. This is why we are here. We as BLT, we will split the research among members. For example, rather than reading everything alone, say 10 white papers, each person will read one white paper per week and bring in the summary to the meeting. If we have 10 members, then that's equivalent to reading 10 white papers per week. That way, we will be able to capture what's happening with blockchain around the world faster. And of course, if there's any interesting topic, then we will focus on it as a group and execute it as a project in order to achieve our vision. This is why I created the BLT. We have 4 major steps to achieve the vision. Before we start doing anything with blockchain, first we have to learn about it. After we learn, we will publish what we have learned in video form. These steps have 2 purposes. The first purpose is to organize our thought. Since blockchain is also new to us, making video will help us review what we have learned. The second and most important purpose is video visually shows what we are doing. And this will bring us to the third step, which is collaboration. In order to reach advanced information, we would like to invite some guest speakers from universities, say professors and TAs. And of course, we will also like to collaborate with blockchain-related companies around Toronto. It is more convincing if we have these visual contents to show what we have learned. And finally, the last step, creation. This is the most important step to achieve our goal. And collaboration with universities and companies are also important here. We gather everything we have done, learning step, publishing step, and collaboration step to create our own project and actually change the world from Toronto.